Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about one of the very beautiful permanent flower plant, which is Alamanda. Alamanda is a permanent perennial plant. It has two varieties. One is climbers and other is dwarf and miniature variety, which I have purchased in only ₹25 2 months ago. You can see my plant is very healthy and having many buds and flowers. Its bright yellow color attracts the pollinators in my terrace garden. So I suggest that this plant should be there in everyone's garden. I purchased with a small growing bag from the nursery, and you can see it needs more nutrient and a big area to grow properly. So I thought to repot it in a 10 inches clay pot, and you can see there are 3 drainage holes, and as usual I am doing the same thing which I had shown you all in my previous videos. Like as usual, I am covering the drainage holes with the clay pieces and then filling it with a layer of sand to make the drainage system good. Now I am filling the pot with the soil mix, and in the previous video you have seen the soil preparation, which is the best for monsoon, and this soil mix you can apply on every flower plants. And after filling this pot with soil mix, we have to press the layer of the soil mix. Now after all this, it's time to cut the growing bag. I am cutting the growing bag properly and very carefully so that the roots doesn't get harmed. You can see the roots have started growing very much. That's why I am having difficulty in cutting the grow bag, as the roots have become much stronger. You can see the roots has taken the round shape of the growing bag. This plant is a fast growing, easy to grow and maintain, and adds color to any landscape in no time. With almost year-long production of flowers in striking hues, Alamanda is a favorite choice of many gardeners and landscapers throughout the warm regions of the world. Then I will remove the root balls, but will not harm the main root. Because of the rapid growth, Alamanda plants require pruning frequently. Plants can be cut back to 1/3 in the spring, just before the growth resumes, to have more flowering. Then I will place the plant exactly in the middle of the pot, and then I will fill the pot with soil mix at the side of the roots. In the rainy season, rainwater is very much important, but the frequent rainfall can wash away the soil, removing the nutrients, so the soil shall be more nutritious. After that, press the soil around the area of the stem so that no air pockets should be there. Then keep it in semi-shaded area for 2 days. Regular and deep watering is needed for the plants, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings, but total dry soil will cause premature flower drop. And try to keep them on the dry side until spring, allowing them to rest during the winter months, and apply a balanced liquid fertilizer once in a month during the growing season. So, if you all like my today's video, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.